Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you're good. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, I know it has, it's been a while. And that's really what I want to talk to you guys about today. Why it's been so long, why there's always such a delay for a vlog for me. I know I'm not a big channel, I know I'm not a weekly uploader, but you're talking like 2-month gaps, and that's not really what I want to be doing. So I want to tell you guys why that is today. I'm out with Connor, best mate Connor over there. We're just starting a walk today, but I thought I'd take the opportunity to explain to you guys why I've been away for a little while from vlogging. I haven't really been regularly uploading. Number one is cost. With me, it's my own fault, of course, but the theme of my channel is all about travel. A lot of it's heavily related to going abroad, big trips, small trips, holidays. It's all including flights, it's all about hotels and blah blah blah, and that's what I enjoy. Ooh, watch out for a branch. Yeah, that's what I enjoy, but it's quite costly, especially if you're somebody like me who just does this for fun. You have to fund it yourself. And it's a lot of money. In an ideal world, of course, I'd be able to travel every week and just upload every week, but I can't do that. Now, there isn't really any way around that, so I don't know how I'm going to solve that as such right now, because I am saving to move out and there's a lot of stuff I've got to pay for at the moment. So it's not the end of the trips, of course, but I just can't churn them out every week. So that's probably the biggest reason, is cost. It's just for normal people like me and you, we can't go on holiday every week, unfortunately. Number two is I don't know what you call it, but basically I felt like I was falling into the trap of going to places to vlog. Going on trips to vlog. Now, as much as I love doing that, I absolutely love vlogging, I love making videos, something I've really enjoyed for a long time. You do naturally fall into the trap of booking trips and booking your everything around vlogging, and it's just not healthy. Like New York, for example. New York was probably the best city break we'll ever do, absolutely. But I found myself very much having my camera in my hand all the time, and a lot of things that I've been really excited to see, I saw more through the lens of my camera than I did with my own eyes. Now, I have no regrets about New York, it was fantastic, and I'm glad I made the videos I did. But yeah, you do find yourself slipping into that trap of just vlogging all the time. That's why when I've just recently been to Hamburg, I didn't vlog anything. We weren't there for long anyway, but I didn't vlog anything because it was just me and my dad. We just wanted to relax, go to a couple of bars and just potter about, you know. I didn't want to be focusing too much on vlogging on that trip. They're the two main reasons, really. I don't really want to churn out cheap content. Like, I don't want to churn out like just quick everyday vlogs. People do daily vlogs and they're great, you know. Some people churn out some really good daily vlogs, but what I do on a daily basis, you guys don't want to see. It's just boring, you know. Go to work, come home, go to the gym, go to sleep. It's to daily vlog, that would not be interesting. And even like once a week, you know, I don't want to make my channel into a sort of little things around the UK and stuff, you know, too much. I want to try and keep it to what it is. So yeah, that of course is not to say though that I'm not planning to go away for the rest of the year. Of course, it's me. So we'll see what comes about when it does. But I just wanted to fill you guys in as to why I haven't been uploading very much, because as much as I'd like to grow my channel, it's really hard to do so when you've got like a normal person's budget and not a lot of time, you know, and nothing is funded for you. You've got to fund it all yourself. So with a channel like mine, it's hard to do. But anyway, yeah, a nice short and sweet video for you guys today. I didn't want to long it out. I just wanted to fill you in as to where I've been, what I've been doing. Not a lot, to be honest, but yeah, I just want you to know, guys, I'm still alive, don't worry.